हे गाइस, वेलकम टू अनदर वीडियो फ्रॉम थ्रॉटल ब्लिप्स। मैं हूं सौरभ और आज हम आए हैं ये MG का नया मॉडल देखने के लिए, विच इज कॉल्ड द MG एस्टर। सो गाइस, हमने पहले तो देखी थी MG ZS EV, विच वाज एन ऑल इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल एंड सरप्राइजिंगली फॉर इट्स क्लास इट्स बीन सेलिंग वेल। तो अभी बेसिकली ये MG एस्टर क्या है? So MG Aster is actually a MG ZS as well, but with petrol motors and some more interesting features. तो आज हम ये गाड़ी देखने वाले हैं What is MG Aster all about? So हम शुरुआत करते हैं गाड़ी के एक्सटीरियर से। तो एक्सटीरियर अगर आप देखेंगे it's almost identical to the ZS EV because as I said it is essentially a ZS based car. The platform is also same. बट इन्होंने ऐसे कुछ थोड़े चेंजेस किए हैं। फॉर एग्जाम्पल इसके हेडलैम्प्स का शेप थोड़ा अलग है, द ग्रिल इज अ लिटिल बिट डिफरेंट। दैट्स व्हाई इवन दो इफ इट्स अ सेम कार, इट एक्चुअली डिस्टिंग्विशेस इटसेल्फ फ्रॉम द ईवी एंड आई थिंक दैट इज अ वेरी गुड पॉइंट। फिर साइड प्रोफाइल में अगर आप आएंगे, उसके गाड़ी में आते हैं 17 इंच व्हील्स विच आर टर्बाइन इंस्पायर्ड एंड आई थिंक द वर्ड विच दे हैव यूज्ड इज रादर करेक्ट बिकॉज इसके व्हील्स के शेप टर्बाइन जैसे ही है। सो अगेन दिस कार हैज ऑल LED हेडलैम्प्स इन द फ्रंट। और अगर इसका ग्रिल भी देखेंगे देन इट हैज दैट सेलेस्टियल पैटर्न टू इट एंड आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाट डिस्टिंग्विशेस इटसेल्फ फ्रॉम द EV मॉडल। नाउ इफ यू लुक एट द बॉटम ऑफ द बम्पर, इस पे 3 रेडार्स भी आपको दिखेंगे एंड वी विल गेट ऑन टू इट लेटर बिकॉज इट हैज अ लॉट ऑफ न्यू फीचर्स रिलेटेड टू सेफ्टी। नाउ द साइड प्रोफाइल इज रैदर वेरी क्लीन लुकिंग, as in the design is itself is a very good looking car। और इसकी जो साइड प्रोफाइल है जो धीरे धीरे इट राइजेस अप व्हेन इट गोज टू द C pillar, that reminds me a bit of the Kia Seltos, but I don't think there is any harm in it because if it's a clean design overall, the car is going to last well in terms of looks and also with terms of the other competitors which are going haywire with the design. This clean look is what is being missed in these modern times and I think this MG does it pretty very well. अब इसमें थोड़े थोड़े फीचर्स है which in terms of aesthetics, for example the roof rails and it has a bottom trim which is gloss black that just adds to the overall flair of the design। and इसके rear end में आप जाएंगे then it's again very identical to the ZS EV car। in fact इसके ये MG Aster गाड़ी है लेकिन इसके बूट पे ZS का बैज भी आपको दिखेगा and it also has this ADAS badge which again is a very good safety feature which we will get through it। Now let's go towards the interior। Now to be honest it is a very pleasant surprise for me because जो MG Hector जो आई थी उसकी क्वालिटी भी बहुत अच्छी थी but this takes it to the next level। Right from when you open the door, the quality of the door pad itself is so premium and this car has dual tone interior। We have 3 options here and with this color combination I think it looks fantastically well with this red and black combo because I'm very happy that all the manufacturers are now slowly moving away from the beige color trim and this looks very sporty as well as luxurious। So this car is also teaching us that even black interiors can be a good thing to have। Now talking about the dashboard and everything, again now it is obviously of very good quality। Everything is leather wrapped here with some chrome with some satin trim accents and the seats I will like to describe that they are very comfortable and again of very high quality। Then you also have these perforated seats and I think if you are taking this for sunny days then it is a blessing because जो complete leather seats होते हैं और जिनमें perforation नहीं होता, you immediately start feeling the heat which won't happen with this car। Now after you step on into the driving seat, you will realize the adjustment is not manual। It's all electric 6-way powered adjustment seats and I think that is very comfortable and very convenient while you're on the drive। Now talking about the rear seat, now as I close this door, the third is very solid। In fact it feels like a proper European car because it is one and I think this is a very good turn in this segment because जो competitors है which I would not like to name, उसका door shut काफी मुझे light लगा। Okay, so coming back to the rear seat is very comfortable। Space is very much sufficient। For example, my knee room, my headroom, I am 6'1" by the way and I am finding it very comfortable। The driver's seat is also set up for my position and it's doing the job pretty well। So as I say इसकी पीछे की सीट बहुत comfortable है but this car is strictly a 4-seater। Like for example पीछे 3 adults नहीं बैठ सकते इस गाड़ी में, it would be a squeeze but I don't think it can be a very good affair to have। So it is strictly a 4-seater to be honest, but as a 4-seater it is a fantastic car। Now in the rear there is nothing much going actually. You get power window switches, this AC vents, 2 ports and a center armrest. But yeah, there is one good thing is even for the central passenger you have this 3-point seat belt, and I think most of the cars miss on this. And now in this car we get 2 engine options which are both petrol engines. The first one is the 1348cc turbo petrol engine which gets 140 horsepower along with 220 Newton meters of torque. The second engine is a 1.5 liter naturally aspirated engine with a manual transmission and a 8-speed CVT gearbox with 110 bhp and 144 Newton meters of torque. But I think for this segment MG could have really thought of a diesel engine, क्योंकि ये segment में diesel की demand काफी है and all the competitors are also giving one. So guys, now we are shooting the highlight of the interior, rather the one of the key features of the car is this AI assistant. ये वीडियो मैं खुद शूट कर रहा हूँ because I want to show you from my perspective as a driver's perspective. So you can see the way it looks at you. It's very very cute to be honest. और इसको आप instructions भी दे सकते हैं. For example, hello Aster.
I'm here.
Please turn on radio. और आपका रेडियो स्टार्ट हो चुका है, लेकिन इसका वॉल्यूम मैंने कम रखा है इसलिए आपको ऑडियो नहीं सुनाई देगा, बट दैट्स हाउ इट वर्क्स. सो अनदर फीचर आई वुड लाइक टू टेल यू अबाउट दिस AI assistant. Let's see. Hello Aster.
Hi. How can I help?
Please open sunroof. और आप देख सकते हैं कि ऐसा सनरूफ ओपन हो जाता है. And I think this is very helpful because so both your hands are on the steering wheel and it won't distract you while you are driving, though it constantly looks at you. So ये AI assistant खाली आपके commands नहीं follow करता है, but it also entertains you. For example, it might give you some information from Wikipedia. I don't know if you need that while driving, but it does that. आपको news भी बताते हैं और काफी सारी चीजें और भी ये कर सकते हैं. सो AI असिस्टेंट जो है वो खाली आपके रेगुलर कमांड्स एक्सेप्ट तो करते ही है, बट इट ऑल्सो टेल्स यू सम यूनिक थिंग्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, हेलो एस्टर.
I'm here.
प्लीज टेल मी अ जोक.
What's the difference between watts and ohms? Watts are a unit of electrical energy. Ohms are where British people live.
वेरी फनी. लेकिन आप ऐसा देख सकते हैं कि नाउ दिस इज अ वेरी, it's like a living person in your car. For example, और एक हम चीज ट्राई करते हैं. It also tells you about information. For example, please tell me about Michael Schumacher.
Michael Schumacher is a German former racing driver who competed in Formula 1 for Jordan Benetton.
So see, ऐसे है ये AI assistant. It's not just a gimmick, it actually does the thing. I don't know how useful it will be for real world driving, but yes, a good feature to show to your friends. So now sitting at the driver's seat, the first thing which I really noticed is that the steering is extremely light, and that would be very great to drive in the city. And it has 3 modes as well, which will be displayed down below. And the second thing which I noticed is the digital cockpit. It's a very very clear instrumentation with 7-inch size of the display, and in the center you also get your own rear end to see of the MG, and it has also got a 10.1-inch multimedia display, and I think it is again one of the most clear and crisp displays I have ever seen. इसमें भी बहुत सारे आपको features है. Now let's shift slowly to the safety thing. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इसमें आते हैं 360 डिग्रीज कैमरा, तो इधर 360 का बटन भी दिया हुआ है, एंड व्हेन यू स्विच दैट बटन यू ऑल्सो गेट अ 360 डिग्री व्यू ऑफ द कार. सो गाइज, अब इसमें ब्लूटूथ कनेक्टिविटी तो है ही गाड़ी में. नाउ इट इज़ वेरी कॉमन, बट इसमें खासियत ये है, सपोज आपकी कि आप घर में भूल आए हो, देन हाउ आर यू गोइंग टू स्टार्ट योर कार? सो यू कैन एक्चुअली अनलॉक योर कार विद द मोबाइल फोन ऐप. यू कैन एक्चुअली स्टार्ट योर कार एंड यू कैन again drive it for how many kilometers you want. But ये प्रैक्टिस नहीं करनी चाहिए. The MG manufacturer and even myself, I recommend you कि आप चाबी लेके ही ट्रैवल कीजिए, because this shall be used only in the emergency situations. Now last but not the least is the intelligent lighting system, which is basically जब oncoming traffic आता है, then it automatically detects that and you the car automatically takes your headlamps to a lower beam, and I think that is very safe for the oncoming traffic, क्योंकि इंडिया में काफी ज्यादा ऐसी हैबिट्स है कि oncoming traffic में हम लो बीम नहीं हाई बीम करते हैं and make the other drivers blind. So for this system I think it is a very good add-on, और ये आदत भी लगाएगा इंडियंस को कि how you should actually behave on a road and not bully everyone on the road if you have a big car like this. Now talking about the safety of this car, and I must say MG has taken very good care of it. First of all, it has all 6 airbags and that is a very good thing. But yes, it is available only at the top of the range. फिर उसके बाद इसमें hill hold तो आता ही है, but again first in segment it has hill descent control which controls your speed while going downhill. और इसके फ्रंट एंड में इसका रेडार भी इंस्टॉल किए गए हैं एंड दैट इज first in class. So I was talking about the ADAS badging, right? So this car has ADAS autonomous level 2 technology, which is I think again first in class. तो इसमें रेडार में आपको एडेप्टिव क्रूज कंट्रोल मिलता है, लेन कीप असिस्ट मिलता है. तो अब इसके सेफ्टी में रेडार बेस्ड जो ADAS लेवल 2 ऑटोनॉमस फीचर्स है उसमें आता है आपको लेन कीप असिस्ट एंड लेन डिपार्चर वार्निंग. लेन कीप असिस्ट में इट कीप्स योर कार इनसाइड द लेन एंड इट वोंट लेट यू गो आउट ऑफ द लेन. और जो लेन डिपार्चर वार्निंग है इसका मतलब अगर आपकी गाड़ी लेन के बाहर जा रही हो देन इट विल थ्रो यू अ वार्निंग, वोंट लेट दैट हैपन. और लेन कीप असिस्ट तो आपका स्टीयरिंग को थोड़ा एड मिलेगा ही एंड इट विल कीप योर कार स्ट्रेट. बट यस, ऑफ कोर्स योर हैंड शुड बी ऑन द स्टीयरिंग व्हील. इट्स नॉट अ टेस्ला, इट्स एन MG, बट आई थिंक फॉर दिस segment it is a very good addition. Now this was towards the front. Now what about the rear? So it has this feature called rear drive assist. So for example, अगर आप parking spot से गाड़ी reverse ले रहे हैं then there are very blind spots associated with modern cars. So इसमें आपको collision warning मिलती है. Whenever it detects that a car is coming from the other side, then it will give you a warning and that will prevent a collision. Then it again has radar based adaptive cruise control. मतलब अभी क्रूज कंट्रोल बहुत सी गाड़ियों में मिलता है लेकिन उसमें खाली एक्सेलरेशन कंट्रोल मिलता है और जब भी आप गाड़ी ब्रेक करते हो द क्रूज कंट्रोल गोज ऑफ. बट इन दिस कार, बेस्ड ऑन द कार इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू, इट एक्सेलरेट्स ऑटोमेटिकली एंड ऑल्सो ब्रेक्स ऑटोमेटिकली, मेकिंग इट अ सीमलेस एक्सपीरियंस. और इस पे आप ब्रेकिंग डिस्टेंस भी सेट कर सकते हो एंड आई थिंक दैट इज वेरी गुड अटेंशन टू डिटेल. Then this car also has a forward collision system. For example, if somebody comes in between you, which always happens in Indian traffic conditions, तो ये गाड़ी ऑटोमेटिक ब्रेकिंग करके गाड़ी रोक भी सकती है. So I think that is again a very good feature. Now the next feature is the speed assist. मतलब suppose if you are driving down a highway, then it will actually see the speed limit boards and it will actually tell you what the speed limit on the specific road is. So you don't have to keep an eye out on the speed limit board again and again while you are driving. Again, it makes a seamless experience and keeps you focused on the road. But there is one catch here कि इसका जो 1.3 लीटर टर्बो इंजन है उसमें आपको खाली 6 स्पीड ऑटोमेटिक ट्रांसमिशन ही मिलता है. There is no manual option for this. So guys, what do I think about the MG Aster? तो मैं बताना चाहता हूँ कि the expectation which I had with this car, it's a lot better than my expectations. The build quality is good, the features are next level, and usually what happens is when automotive manufacturers give features, it is just for sales. But with this car, it is a technological advancement because of the safety features, that is the ADAS level 2 technology. So guys, this was the quick walk around of the new MG Aster. Do let me know in the comment section. If you like this video, please hit the like button, please share this video and also subscribe to Throttle Blips TV channel. Thank you. Stay safe and take care.